weight has lifted. Love has surely shifted my way. Staying every day. Marry me. If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, save me.
On behalf of Michael and Alexis, I want to welcome everyone as we come together to share these moments of joy and celebration. We have been looking forward to this evening, and even with the threat of rain, it is a beautiful evening to be together. So our time is here. Let us ask God to bless these moments together. God, it is you who created us, and you who has given to us the gift of marriage. So it is tonight before you that Alexis and Michael come to join their futures together. We all stand before you humbly. Who presents Alexis to be married to Michael? I do. Michael, will you take Alexis to be your wife? Will you be loyal to her and show that loyalty by honoring, comforting, and protecting her as long as you both shall live? Alexis, will you take Michael to be your husband? Will you seek to fill that empty place in him that only you can fill when you love him and respect him, and when you are his place of safety from life's storms, as long as you both shall live?
I will.
You have chosen these rings so that they might remind you of this moment, and they might also remind you of the promises that you have made before each other today. So Michael, place the ring on the ring finger of the one you love. All right, Alexis, place the ring on the ring finger of the one you love. Virtue of the authority vested in me, I do now pronounce you husband and wife. Michael, you may kiss your bride. It is my honor to present to you Michael and Alexis Patton.
As the years pass by and the anniversary celebrated, always remember your love for one another. The vows you shared with each other today should never be forgotten, and trust and commitment, love, honesty, and loyalty at all times. Life and friendships can be amazing. It's incredible to think how our friendship started when we were so young. Here we were, just two little girls without a clue about the world, yet embarking on a friendship that would last forever. You're such a great person who deserves all the happiness in the world. Your strength is inspiring to others, your confidence is contagious, and your love for friends and family is never ending. And you will make a wonderful wife and mother, and I'm so happy for you.
We have a fabulous new young man in our lives. Thank you, Michael. I worried, since Alexis was 3 years old, that the person she was going to be married to was really Mr. Alexis, because if you know Alexis, you know how it goes. But Michael, You are amazing. Welcome to our family. Who you guys are for the world is love, excitement, and joy. Thank you for who you are. We'll be with you to enjoy the ride. God bless you. Good luck to you, the new child. Excited. And it's a miracle. Thank you all for coming.